In this video, I'll show you how to create a landing page. After registering with the affiliate platform, you must create a landing page where you will embed your links. So go to beacons.ai. You can check out the link in description. And when you have signed up, you'll come to this home page where you will see link in bio, store, email marketing, and website. So the main areas you should focus on is on link in bio or website. So the most easiest one is the link in bio. Click on link in bio. So after clicking link in bio, you can come down here and scroll on the pages. We have pages, design, insight, settings. So you will be focusing on my pages and design. So you scroll down here and you can see we have some sections here. We have header, which I've placed it on. You can place it off and it will remove the header. You see, the header is gone. So for me, I'll maintain the header. Then links. Links now is where you will now embed your affiliate links. Click on links. So here you will now add links to display on your bio. You can see some of these links have put them off. So when you click on this, you swipe to the left, it goes off. It will not display on the link in bio. So what it will show is what is on here, like this one. You see, you can hide link or show link. So if you want to show the link, you must click this one to the right. So to add link, click add link. Then go to your Digistore24 or any link that you want to add. Let's say, for example, the Genius or the Prodentim. Click promote and copy that link. After copying the link, come back to the Beacons AI and paste your link and then click add. So it will embed the link, and sometimes it can generate you a title. So you should wait a little bit for a while for it to generate a title, or you can just enter the title and also add a picture here. So if you want to add a picture, you click on add. You see, then you can upload an image, as simple as that. So that is a way you can upload an image. Then you enter the title of the product you are promoting. Prodentim. You see, have a small description. As you can see, it will just show here. Prodentim. And then add a small description there. Anything. Make sure that it's something that aligns with the product you are promoting. So on the sales page, you can find the image of this product, and when someone clicks on it, it will direct them to the product. So that is an example. You can add as many products as you want. As you can see, I have some products here that are on. This one, Moringa, and self-sufficient, and also medicinal garden. You can also add a kit here. So if you want to remove this, you can just click here and delete. If you want to design the layout of these links, you can just come here and it will show you the kinds of layout. And let's go back to the page. So we have links, which is on. I had to put off this because I don't see the need of this. And you can put on Git and add a link to. So these are the three main you can use right now for the link in bio. And then for the link that you will share in your bio, you will come here and copy. So when you copy that link and go to another page, so you copy paste that link, it will direct people to your landing page. This is the landing page, a simple one. So this is the kit. So what you need is a header, link, and kit. That is it. Very simple. A more advanced way of creating a landing page is a website. You can click on website and get started with the website. Click get started and you will choose a template.